angelica, and it's used as a spice.
What stands there
and for
now
medicinal purposes. It smells more like a camphor.
Piece of paper now with the pictures of the 13 Yule lads. It's one of my favorite Icelandic traditions. Christmas time, they're called the Christmas Yule lads, and they come 13 days before Christmas. They originally were kind of evil-spirited little Yule lads, but it's interesting how traditions get mixed together around the world, because now they're kind of considered like 13 little Santa Clauses, and they come 13 days before Christmas and leave children little gifts in their shoes. Mind you, sometimes those little gifts are a potato. This is where they live. Dimmuborgir, our next stop. It has the 13 Yule lads, but it doesn't have a picture of their mother, Grilla. They tell children that Grilla, if you're a naughty child, Grilla is a mean witch kind of lady that eats children for dinner. Their little stories of the Yule lads, and this is where we're going now, is to Dimmuborgir, which is their home.
Yeah, this is where we are, Dimmuborgir. Here are our Yule lads. 13 sons of Grilla and Lapaludi, vicious trolls that live in a big cave. The Yule lads can't be seen now because they're resting up and preparing for Christmas. I think she said we're taking the yellow path. Dimmuborgir was formed 2,000 years ago. The lavas build over a water-filled depression or marshland, forming a lava lake. And the surface layer solidified quickly. You just look at it all right? Just left standing are columns and ridges, dikes and gaps. The path that we're going to take. We're supposed to look for trolls embedded in the sides. You see the size of that mushroom? Huge. Always a souvenir shop. This is Godafoss Waterfall. In the year 1000, the chieftain in the area had a choice to make. Should they give up their pagan religion and accept Christianity or not? When he decided that yes, they were going to become Christian, it is said that he took all his statuettes and threw them in the waterfall, which is why it is called God's Waterfall.
In the bottles she has stir. Yeah, those are the bigger ones.
Needless to say, hand-knit Icelandic sweaters are the big purchases.
Okay, I asked one of the riders if they knew how many hands.
Ricky ribs, that would be my last meal on earth. And pork skewers. Got all my favorites tonight and I'm starving. Ratatouille and sweet potatoes and mushrooms. And they're carving beef. That's the galley. Filled vegetables with pesto. Green bean. Well, I picked the right night to be starving to death. Everything looks so darn good. Soft chocolate cake. Fruit tart. Different panna cottas. Ooh, I like panna cotta. There's strawberry, pistachio, and vanilla. Tiramisu. We all know what tiramisu is. The usual floating islands, and that looks like an apricot tart. Oh, this is heavenly. We never have gotten to the ice creams. The Marine's favorite chocolate brownies, my pistachio, white bean Tuscany soup tonight, the usual excellent cheeses, of which the Roquefort is my personal favorite, great breads, nothing's missing.